Hey, how's the audio? Hello, 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 hello. Mic check, mic check, mic check. Can you hear me? What's up, man? What we doing here? Let me double check my audio. Make sure we're good to go. I did start the show a little bit late today. Mm, 1 second. How's the audio? All right. I think audio's great. Audio's good. Hope you guys doing okay. Welcome to the show. I did start a little bit late today. I didn't mean to. Was my plan. Sorry about that, guys. Um, So we're just gonna, look at some stuff, man. Look at what's going on in the markets, and as usual. So definitely Mondays is a goal. I'm like I said, as the days go by, I'm gonna try to alter the schedule. I see that every week. And let me just share my screen real quick, show you guys what I'm looking at. I hope you guys have been winning and make some money. The market is very very weird. We're very dependent on the Iran war right now, and then so that's shaping the crypto narrative, right? But there are some situations that some projects are popping off, right? Like little by little, you can see them kind of breathing life. Being a long time, yeah, I'm here, man. I'm sorry, man. Yeah, hopefully I get this show up and running again like it used to be. I used to do shows every single day. Um, the schedule's just tight now. I'm just trying to figure out the best ways to get everything in, get everything done. But so far so good, guys. Let me see. Can I log in this thing? I'm gonna try again. I don't. I've been trying to use my account to log on to this. Let me see. Samsung. No. Cancel. Use another account. Log in. I hope it works, man. I always trying to Infinix. Infinix wants to verify your code. Let's see. Because I want to show you guys my trades, but it's difficult to do it because this thing, for some reason, when I use Google Chrome, doesn't show me what I need to see. So if it doesn't work, I'll move on. I want to try it again. Let's wait. Hope it works, man. 102793. Does it work? Change pin. Oh, I put the wrong one in. Oh my god. Really? Okay, I can't do I can I'll do this later. Guys, give me a second, okay? Let me see if I could just because I want to show you my trades, man. A second. Let's see. If it doesn't work, I'll move on. But I just want to see. Oh, my other phone's not here. Guys, give me a second. Just give me 1 second. Oh, 1 second. It might work. Let me see if I could use this. Give me 1 second, guys. Yes, that's me. Yes, that's me. All right, I think it's okay. Just give me a second, guys. Can't reach Google past them and use a different. Let's see. I mean, okay, let's try again. Guys, I'm sorry. Just give me a second, okay? I'm gonna log into my website here. so I can show you my trades, man. Hope it looks like it's working now. Just give me a second. Okay, it looks like it's working. Perps, please work. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Yeah, so this is it right here. I hope it does, man. Come on. Are you gonna work? I don't know, man. I'm not sure if it will. For some weird reason, Google Chrome doesn't show work for this. I don't know why. It is so weird. It is so strange, but it's okay. All right. Yeah, man. So it was a good day. It was a good day for me this morning. Had a short trade in earlier, and my I had a short put in from I think from like Friday, and I got a nice gain, man. Because the market dumped right on the news of the Iran war, and when that happened, I got a nice 10% gain, man, on my trade. So it's it was freaking awesome. It was beautiful. Um, where's my Twitter? Let me show you guys real quick. Actually, you know what? Okay, yeah. So we'll talk about the prices and where everything's going in a second. I just want to show you guys my the Twitter real quick. Um, yeah, man, using AI to trade, man, it's been good. It's been really good so far. It's been very good. And of course I've been saying like using the higher time frame has probably the best strategy for me for trading, right? Because I just feel like it's more accurate, right? Let me show you guys this real quick. Um, it was good. It was good today, man. Breaking news: multiple explosions UAE. Okay, so I already seen that already. Nothing new. Uh, all right, let's look at this. So I put a short in, like, I think on Friday, I think, and it came out very nice, man. I was very happy. I was like, yo, that's pretty cool. But my goal is to trade less but win more, if that makes sense. Because when I used to trade actively, it was every day, every second. I felt like I had to be in a trade all the time, and I'm like, it doesn't make sense because I think trading what because I study why whales make money and lose money, whatever it is, and the ones that make the most money are the ones that trade less, but it trade with a lot of money. So they might not be cashing out every couple of days, right? They might put a trade in today, but don't cash out for like 4 weeks to 2 months. They just let that stuff sit there and just chill. And I think that strategy, might be what I might start using. I've been using it recently, right? Um, and now because now that I'm using AI to help me trade, I know where things are going. I have a better idea, right? So this is my trade. Right? I put a 5x leverage in a Bitcoin. My entry was you know what's funny? I could have had a better entry. My entry was at 79,820. I could have had better entry to short a Bitcoin at 80,000, I think 200 or 300. But I just put an entry in. I set my stop loss, and I went to bed 5x, and I woke up this morning and I saw like massive dump, man. Like, oh my god! I just checked my phone, boom, 10% gain, man. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So what I'm saying is, remember I said before, right? The idea for me is to trade less but make more, right? Trade less but make more. That's the goal. That's where I'm trying to get to, and I believe you could do it because I think if you're able to, I don't know why this thing doesn't work, man. It's very annoying. The way I'm saying is, if you are able to make Hey, Crucifixion, I know I'm late, guys. Sorry for the late show, man. I know I'm late. I was kind of busy, but that's okay. We got a whole hour to talk. So, Justice, what's up, bro? How you doing? So we got so the idea is to trade less and make more. And depending on how much money you have, you could do pretty well with this. Even if you're not using a lot of money to trade, right? You could still start very slow and build from there, right? You're building from there. So for example, now I'm thinking in my brain, just say I used oh, just say I used 10 grand, or just say I used 1K yesterday. And I was able to, take this trade, all right? And I got 10% gain, 5x from 1K. That's about, like, I think about $50, if I'm sure, if I'm right. I'm not 100% sure, but I do know that if you trade the higher time frames, you have better leeway, right? Because your stop loss is wider, your take profit is wide, everything is wide, right? Because you don't have to stretch yourself too much. So for me, I caught this nice gain yesterday. It was very nice. I can't complain. And like I said before, what I was doing, what I've been doing is using my AI, what's it called, live trading dashboard, which is this right here. So this is what I've been using. You guys can see this, right? So this is what I've been using to help me out, give me an idea. Yeah, man, I'm trying. No, bro, Justice. Yeah, I'm not like no pro, whatever, not yet. But I think I'm getting more comfortable now, where as long as you catch a trade close to the bottom and leave it alone, I'll show you the trick. I'll show you the trick here. You have to be patient. You have to be patient with this stuff, and you have to believe in your trade. Don't get nervous. Take a trade and be confident in your decision. So let me let me go back here. So as of right now, I haven't taken any trades yet. Not yet. Um, I'm looking at it right now. Bitcoin, like, it's basically hovering around $80,000 right now. Hovering like 80K right now. Let me share my screen. Actually, let's do this first. Let's do this. So right now, this is my AI dashboard. So I have my 1 hour time frame, my 4 hour time frame, my 12 hour time frame, my daily hour time frame, and my weekly time frame. Everything is all here, right? So every time I change it, it gives you different buy signals, different take profits. This is 12 hours slash weights. The daily says I should buy. The weekly says buy. So different things, right? So as of right now, as you can see, all time frames signaling buy, 1 hour, 4 hour, every single one of them. I'm not just gonna jump on this and just start taking a trade, right? So it's I mean, I've talked about this a lot, using this AI platform to help me trade. I mean, I could show you. I mean, I've talked about this so much. Um, okay, I'm just, let me show you guys real quick, because anyone that just joined the show now might be a little bit confused about, hey, what the fuck is this guy talking? But if you look at the I have the prompts that I use. I've talked about this already, but I'm just gonna say it again just in case anyone here doesn't really know what the hell I'm talking about. But if you go my Twitter page and scroll down, and you see this tweet here. Where is it? Where's that tweet? A second. Not this one. Not that one. Where'd you go, man? Come on. Okay, getting closer. So this tweet I made, it shows you how to create your own AI right here. Create how to create your own AI trading live trading dashboard. So this is free. That doesn't cost you anything. Just go to my page right now. If you're here, it's free. Those like this is not referral bullshit, whatever. This is to help you guys. This is what I've been doing, right? You go to this link right here. Click this link. Copy this entire prompt. Paste it into this link. I think you create an account using any email. Create your account. Paste this entire prompt into your link. And create a dashboard. Once you finish, it will look like this. This is what it will look like. So I'm gonna go back here again. So basically, create your own AI trading dashboard, buy sell signals. This is the link. Click on it. Create your account. Paste this entire prompt into your dashboard and hit send. Once you do that, it will look like this. It will tell you buy signals, and it auto refreshes. Buy signals, sell signals. It will tell you when things are overbought, oversold. It will tell you all the time frames, if it's a buy, if it's a sell. It just look all this information, guys. This is the reason why I believe I'm winning trading, and I believe, I don't know, man. My confidence is getting bigger. So because what I'm trying to do is, I can't trade every day because I think that's not a winning strategy, right? My goal is to take trades in a couple of times in a couple of weeks, then take profits in a couple of weeks and make massive gains. And I'll show you why or how. For example, if you're trading the daily time frame, I'm gonna say, okay, right now it's actually buy. If I take a trade right now, it says go long. Okay, if I go long right now, it gives me a 40% win rate chance and 43% strong confidence in me taking a long right here on a daily time frame. Okay, if I take a trade here, Bitcoin is at 79,983. My take profits is at 86,000. And my stop loss is set at 76,000. So basically, taking a long here, but I don't cash out until Bitcoin hits 89K. That could take 2 weeks, 1 month, 2 months. Now that's the question: are you able to wait that long? Okay, and I think another way I do this is, if I want to take a trade, I'm gonna look at this. Okay, I want to trade the daily. Cool. I'm gonna go to. This is my trading view accounts. I have my chart here. I'm going to change it to daily. Change this to daily. And look at this. So for me right now, I'm looking at this and I'm like, okay, this is the daily charts. And as you can see, we're in a massive uptrend. So is this smart for me to take a trade right now? I mean, look at this massive uptrend. We had a bounce. This was in April 26th, and we're already in May. So from April 26th, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 25 days of green and 5, 6, 7, 8 days of red, 25 days of green. So, because basically we went from 64,000 all the way up to right now to basically 80,000. So for me, am I comfortable taking a trade right now to go to 86K? I will say no. The reason why is, even though the AI is telling me to go long, that's cool, but I would rather wait for a pullback first. And the most recent pullback we've had, if I go, like, for example, the past, you see, this is how I trade, right? I don't just go AI blindly. So, for example, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 straight days of green candles. And the last red candle we had, we wicked down to 75,000. So I know this because I use AI to determine my support and resistance. Our support zone in this range is $75,000. So for me to take a long, I would rather wait for a pullback than take a long. I'm not just gonna see, oh, look at this. AI is telling me, oh, go long, go long. No. I'll rather buy when we're long. And if you look at this again, based on my AI dashboard, my stochastic RSI is overbought. My wave trend order block is going down. My Williams percentage overbought. My CCI is overbought. So which means the market is kind of hot right now. Meaning your kind of the market's overheated on the daily time frame. If I'm not saying we can't go to 86K, but I don't think we're going to go straight there. And I'll show you another thing I do here. So before I take a trade, I'm just showing you how to win, how to use AI and base your own knowledge to win your trades. So what I do now is, right, I've let me go back here. So I want to take a trade. I'm like, okay, look, the market is humming. No, I don't want to take a long at 79K. I'm like, okay, wait, let me go back and let me go back here. Go back here, and I'm seeing we've had a massive uptrend recently. Basically, the entire month of the entire month of the past couple of weeks has been like the market has been very strong, right? So I'm like, okay, look, what about let me go to ChatGPT? That's another tool that I use, right? So what I do is this. Because this is what I want to do. I'm trying to determine if I should take a long or a short. That's what I'm trying to do right now. Okay. So I'm gonna go to ChatGPT. I'm gonna be like, okay, I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT. Remember, I have three tools right now: ChatGPT, my AI tool, and my trading view charts. Okay, I'm gonna go ChatGPT and say, I'm gonna type in current price of Bitcoin is current price of Bitcoin is 79,913. What are institutions? No, sorry. What is smart money doing right now? Are they long or short? Give me scenarios and probabilities. So I use all these tools, man, to help me. Because I don't trade like I used to anymore. I am very calm and patient. So I use ChatGPT, I use my AI tool, and I also use the trading view. So I want a winning strategy, very high win rates with no stress. Okay, let's see what happens here. All right. So we're gonna go through this so quick. So you see, like it's so amazing. Like if you think about how, because the market has changed, everyone has these tools in their fingertips now. You could use AI to find entries, buy, sell, take profits, and all that shit, right? So why not use it? And I've been using it, and so far, I mean, it's been good so far, right? Okay, so let me see. So let's go ChatGPT and what it says. So I asked ChatGPT, okay, so I know right now current price is 79,900, whatever, almost 80,000. I know that based on this is the daily chart. I know that markets has been doing very, very well within the last basically the past 30 days, my market is doing very well. Okay. And like you don't want to you don't want a long or short breakout. You just want to be able to get your best entry once ticker trades it because you want in and out, in and out, in and out. Okay. So I know this. So let me go back to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT here. I asked it a coin price of Bitcoin is 79,913. What is smart money doing right now? Are they long or short? Give me scenarios and probabilities. Cool. And as a matter of fact, I didn't ask it to give me a daily. It's fine. It's fine. It's okay. So smart money right now at 70,000 to 80,000 is mixed. But leaning highly bullish, accumulation under resistance. Whales are not aggressively selling at 80K. Exchange whale ratio is low. Big players are not rushing to dump, which means they believe the price goes a lot higher, right? And remember, it's getting this information from sources, different sources, right? This is what like AI is. It pulls information from different sources and brings it together, and you make the decision based on what you see. Okay. Exchange whale ratio is low. Big players are not rushing to dump, which means they believe price to go higher. Institutions they have deployed $1.6 billion inflow into Bitcoin. Translation: smart money is comfortably holding and accumulating, not exiting, which means they believe price goes higher. Number two, but short term distribution signals are creeping in. 700. So the first option was a buy and accumulate strategy, right? So we're talking about long term. This is short term. Short term distribution signals are creeping in. $760 million of Bitcoin moved to exchanges recently. Potential potential sell pressure. ETF flows recently mixed negative and positive, right? Some whales are preparing liquidity distribution, not panic selling. So basically, they're just getting ready to sell, right? Maybe they might take profits at like 85K, 86K, whatever it is. Because remember, they don't sell. Whales don't sell. Smart money, they don't sell at the first sign of pump. They like to get like a mini euphoria. Then they dump everything, right? A mini euphoria might be Bitcoin to 85K or Bitcoin to 89K. People, oh my God, we're going to 100K. And that's when the whale sell. That's exactly how these people think. The third option, this word just been us, derivatives positioning. Set up for a squeeze incoming. Big traders have been net long since March. What I says, they've been buying the low. Remember, we went as low as 60,000. Did we no 50K? We went to 59,000. So they've been. Remember what I said before? Right? They take their long entries at the bottom and just wait. Cross your hands. Can you imagine taking a long since March? We in fucking May right now, man. This is how whales win. They wait until markets get oversold, fear like crazy. They put a long in and leave it alone. Can you imagine put a long in from March and sell in May? That's how traders make money, man. That's how big players make money. Big traders have been net long since March, increasing size. Funding is negative. Shorts are crowded. Translation: smart money is quietly long, letting retail short into resistance, setting up a potential short squeeze, indicating higher prices. Key levels you're sitting on right now. Major resistance is 79,000 to 81,000. Remember I said you want to take a long right now because of this, right? It's just not as comfortable. So we'll see. Remember what I said about support. Support is 75,000 to 71,000. If I see 75,000, or 76,000, I could take it long. I'll be comfortable with that, right? And just leave it alone, right? This is a decision zone, not a trend zone. Scenarios and possibilities. So there's a 55 to 60% chance we get a short squeeze, a bullish scenario, smart money trap, right? Smart money trap, they trap retail. Okay. Basically, what happens is this. Remember what I said, right? Smart money trap. We will pump from here to 82K. So a clean break above 80 to $82,000 for Bitcoin. Then a short squeeze happen, pushes the price up even more to 85,000 to 90,000. That, remember I said euphoria, right? Whales, smart money, they force euphoria, make you think we're going to 100K and just dump on your ass, man, right? So there's a 55 to 6% chance we break above 80,000 to 82,000, right? And a short squeeze to 85,000 to 90,000, a 60% chance. That's pretty crazy. Why? Whales are already long, right? They've been long since March. Institutions are buying strength. Retail still hesitant, 100%. Retail don't buy until euphoria comes. That's how they lose money, right? Smart money behavior, accumulation, they push breakout and they distribute. Basically, accumulation happened when Bitcoin was at 60,000, 62,000, 65,000. We were there for a long time, man. A long time. Look at this. Look at this shit. 60,000. So basically, like March 1st, price of Bitcoin was like 64,000, right? March, 64,000 in March, and now we're 80,000. So these guys have been long since then and just rolled the wave up. That's it. That's how these guys win. That's how you win trading, man. Give me some of this. All right. Let me see. So basically, smart money behavior, accumulation, which already happened about 60K. Push breakouts happening right now still, but we don't have the retail euphoria yet. It's not guaranteed it might happen, right? But that's the classic way for how markets roll. Accumulation at 60 some thousand, then they breakout, push breakout above 80,000. We have a 6% chance breaking above 82,000, push 85K to 90K, whale sell, retail jumps in, market dumps down 70K. That's probably what's going to happen. I mean, who knows, right? That's scenario, right? You get ready for each scenario. Bearish scenario, a 30 to 35% chance this happens. Okay. Distribution happens on another liquidity graph. So 30 to 35% chance this happens. We have a fake breakout to 80K, which just happened, and we drop back down to 75K. And that's the reason why I didn't want to take a trade, right? I'm still on the fence. I'll wait to see what happens as days play out. But I do trust my AI, the dashboard, right? I do trust it, especially the daily time frame. This is daily time frame. So if I take a long right here, potential cash out at 86,000, right? Possibly. But I'll kind of see. I'll kind of see what happens from there. We'll see. So see here. Guys, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Okay, I'll be right back. Give me a second. I'll be right back. Yes, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back, guys. Sorry about that. I had to go check the door. Uh, glasses. Oh boy. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Sorry about that, guys. I'll go check the door real quick. Someone at the door. All right. Yeah. So where did I start? Where did I start? I was talking about yes, the bear scenario for where what's smart money get right now. We need to close above it to keep moving on. We probably will. Fake breakout or rejection at 80K. Price drops to liquidity zones. The heavy liquidity zone is between 75,000 to 71,000. So that area there is pretty strong, right? A lot of liquidity on the bottom there. So we'll see. But there's only 30% chance it's possible, but less likely. And he says why Bitcoin moved to exchanges, sell supply ready, weak follow through above resistance, market still in range, and we have a topping structure. It does seem, because if you look at this, right? I mean, this is the daily charts. I mean, it's very simple. Whenever you see, okay, so we had a massive dump, right? This was when we were like 96K, massive dump down, just negative days, right? And this went from from January all the way down to like so March. So basically 30 days of just nastiness all the way down. And we basically accumulated accumulation zone was like February 7th, probably all the way down to March 31st. So basically on another month, right? Of just accumulation, over a month of accumulation again. And now we're getting a breakout here. Now the question is this a strong breakout all the way up to the top to 90 something K, or are we going to break down to 65K again? Because I don't believe so. Because remember, we've been in accumulation zone for a long time, and I think possible breakup. Of course, you want your best entries to trade. So I don't want to just jump into a long because I feel like it. So I might just wait and see what happens, man. We'll wait and see. If we get like 79 something or 78, I might take a long there and just kind of wait and see what happens. But there's a 30% chance that price goes back down to 71,000 to 75K, which is less likely. 30% chance. That's the bear scenario. Smart money behavior. They sell into strength, trap longs, and buy lower. So we'll see what happens, man. We have a 60% chance. So we have a bull scenario, a 60% chance price is probably going to go to 85,000 to 90K or to 82K, or a 30% chance price goes to 75,000 or 71K. Remember, price always the liquidity zones, price is attracted to them a lot. So if you look at this chart here, these are my liquidity zones, right? We have, this is the daily. Remember, every time frame, this is daily time frame. This is a 4-hour time frame. Every time frame has its own bullish and bearish liquidity zone, accumulation zone, or distribution zone. So on the daily time frame, accumulation zone was down at 64,000, down at like 63,000. Now there's a massive supply zone up top. this is a distribution zone from 91,000 all the way up to 97,000. There's a massive distribution zone up here. So the question is, do we go back down to a lower liquidity zone, or are we going up top to 90? With this strong push up, because we've been in accumulation zone for like a month and a half, there's a strong possibility we're probably going to go up to 90K soon. Now the question is, do we have enough strength to get there? That's always the question, right? And we'll see. Trading is weird, and that's why I like AI. Use the AI because what AI does for me, it takes emotion out of it. I have my number, I stick to it, and I exit when it tells me to. I don't think, and that's it. Okay. So what else? So we have a 10% chance of getting a chop. Chop, basically a sideways action, does nothing, right? Let me see and that's about it, man. It says what smart money is actually doing. Basically they're long right now, they're cautiously buying. They actually, smart money is leaning long, but only after liquidity is taken. Liquidity was taken from both sides, right? Liquidity was taken at 80K. Remember, we I think the price went we hit 80K and went back down to we hit 80K and went back down to like 70. I think, yes, we hit 80K, right? We wait. Okay, so the first time we hit like 79.8, then dumped down. They went, touched it again, dumped all the way. We touched it one time and dumped all the way down from like 79.5 all the way down to 75. That's it. It took liquidity up top, took liquidity on the bottom. Now we've gone up top again, but it pushed up higher. You might want to take liquidity at 80K and come back down again. There's a possibility that we probably come down to 75K again. But I do believe we might see 82 to 85K before we see 75K. That's always the game, right? Trying to figure out which direction you go. But I think using all these tools, man, they're all there for you. All these tools are free. I don't pay anyone for this. All this shit's fucking free, man. I don't pay anyone for this. Now I'll be using these AI tools to help me trade, right? So I don't pay anyone for this. And so far, it's been playing out well for me, man. Like I said, just recently, this was my gain. I used the AI to trade, right? Using AI to trade. This was what is that? Where is it? Right here. This is what I got last night. I used the 4 hour to daily. I took my shorts. I set my stop loss and just and that's it. And because of the Iran war, my short played out. It played out nicely, man. It was very, very good. It was very, very good. So basically, I strongly want you guys to use the tools in front of you. So let me read the summary for you guys. High probability plays, right? We get a break above 80 to 82K, and with a long continuation, or we get a rejection and 80K, and we go back down to 75K. Now the question, like I said, that's why I'm not too bullish on longing right now, because we already, like, to me, if I'm trading the daily, right? I mean, I don't like this. Like, come on, man. I'm not gonna jump in and trade here when I could have gotten right here. 75K, right? So I'm gonna be trading the breakout. Nah, man. I'd rather take a short in. But I'm not gonna do that first, because I know that there's liquidity at 82K, 85K, and 90K. Am I patient enough to wait until then? Or what I could do, if you really, so it's funny because some people, they feel like they have to trade. No, you don't have to trade. If you really want to take a trade in and you're itching, you could take a trade in and do small leverage, small position, and wait until that liquidity grabs. Then you could do a much bigger trade, right? Um, so bottom line, there's a bottom line. Bottom line is smart money is not heavily short here. That's why I didn't want to take a short. I'll take a long. You see, they are positioning for the upside, but wants liquidity first. Expect manipulation before the next move. If you want, you can say yes. I want because I trade a 4 hour. Give me, give, give me, the four. Give me the 4 hour trades. Long, and short. Long and short. Price of BTC is BTC is 80,071. So what I'm asking to do is to give me exits entries, right, based on current price on a 4 hour time frame. Now it's gonna give it to me. So like I said, remember guys, I have this AI tool here. This, I created this myself for free. Didn't cost me anything. I'm not a dev. I don't have a dev brain. Anyone could do this. I'm going to show you this again on how to do it. It's absolutely free. Doesn't cost you anything. Let me see something. So if you go to my Twitter page, and scroll down. I'm gonna try to retweet this thing again for you guys, man, because I talk about this stuff all the time. I want you guys to be able to save it, bookmark it. Where is it? Okay, it's coming. All right, it's right here. So this is it right here. This, I create the AI live trading dashboard. Use this link. It's not a referral link. It's free. It's an AI tool. It's like ChatGPT, but you can actually, it acts like a developer for you, man. It's free. The free version creates some really cool stuff, man. So it's very interesting. All you have to do is click on this link here. Create AI live trading dashboard. Click on this link here. Once you do, copy this entire prompt. Copy this prompt, paste it into the website. Hit enter. Once you do that, this will happen. It look like this. It will tell you when to buy, when to sell, different time frames: 1 hour, 4 hour, 12 hour. You can customize it however you want. It gives you entries, take profit entries, take profit 1, take profit 2. It gives you take profit 1, take profit 2. It gives you scenarios, right? This is a checklist for that's bearish and bullish checklist based on the EMA, super trend, MACD, RSI, VWAP, ADX, Williams, CCI, ICT, smart money concepts, liquidity sweeps, HA filter, ICT, inner circle trader, smart money concepts. It's just insane, right? Look, it gives you everything. You go down here, it tells you I have Lux Algo from TradingView here. I have Quantum Algo. I have I have Fib Algo, Smart AI. I have 3 AI platforms combined with my AI. So it just kind of tells you what to do, man. Contraction right now. The market is contracting, getting ready for a big move. I mean, it shows you a heat map, basically what's happening. It's unbelievable. And it also shows you right now the money flow. Money flow, HCA filter currently is neutral. But yeah, man, like so much information. It shows you open interest. Open interest currently rising right now. 21% rising with a strong uptrend. Like information galore, guys, galore. And the higher time frames give you a more accurate. It also gives you a percentage of like for example, it's giving me win rates based on the 1 hour time frame. If I take a trade right now, if I buy right now, I have a 40% win rate, and there's a 43% confidence in this trade based on all these indicators, right? So I think what I'm going to do is this, because I don't have what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to make a new tweet because I know a lot of people are lazy. I know. I know you guys are freaking lazy. I'm going to end this show in 3 minutes, man. Do the show 1 hour. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to make a new tweet. So I'm going to copy this entire thing here, and I'm going to include some other things. So let me do this. Let me make a brand new tweet. Okay, I'm going to make a brand new tweet right now. I'm going to copy it. Make sure you save it. Create AI live trading dashboard. With buy sell signals. Okay. Use link below, type the prompts. Okay, so let me do this. I'm gonna do copy. So the prompt is this, right? Type in you're gonna copy this prompt, create a live trading dashboard. Make sure I got buy sell signals here. Okay, perfect. Create a live trading dashboard for trading Bitcoin with buy sell signals. Okay, let me see. With buy sell signals. 15-minute. Remember, I said before, the higher time frames are more accurate. So I'm not going to include the 15-minute. I'm going to use the 1 hour. Okay, so create a live trading dashboard. This is the prompt right here. Right? You copy this and paste it in the website. You create your own for free. Crazy, right? Create a live trading dashboard for trading BTC with buy and sell signals on the 1 hour, 4 hour, 24 hour, and weekly charts. Use the time frame that works best for you. Let me take this out. Okay. Time frame. And okay. And include these indicators indicators: super trend, MACD, RSI, wave oscillator, SMC, ICT, white call volume, Williams, yes, VWAP. Give me okay, perfect. So also I need to also add for you guys real quick. This would change how you trade, man. Lux Algo. Okay, let me see. Okay. Okay, let me see. Also include uh Lux Algo, Lux Algo. Where's the other one? Other one is Quantum Algo. Lux Algo and Quantum Algo. Algo from TradingView. From TradingView. From TradingView. Okay. Lux Algo. TradingView. And I think let me see what else I need to add. Let's see. Okay, yes. Add money flow index and okay. Money flow index. Okay, I got it. I'm doing this from scratch. I'm doing live. This is all for you guys, man. I already have it. I'm ready, good to go. Let me see. Lux Algo. TradingView. Also include money flow index.HA filter. Money flow index plus HA filter. And the last one is, I like both of these, man. I don't use this one as much. I might use it. Or open interest plus price divergence. Open interest plus price divergence. All right, this is it. This is a lot of info, I know, right? Just copy this stuff and you're done, okay? So I'm gonna post it right now for you guys, man, and you're done, okay? You're good to go. That's all you need. So let me take a screenshot of the most recent. Let me do this one. Let me do that. Let me zoom out a little bit. All right, let me take a screenshot of this. Right here, take the screenshots. Perfect. All right. So try it out, man. It's free. Doesn't cost you anything, man. It's to help you out. It's to help you guys a lot in your trading journey. So you're not trading blindly anymore. So basically what you do is create AI live trading dashboard with buy and sell signals. Okay. Use link below. Free sign in with email. There's a website. Cool. Type in this prompt. Create a live dashboard. Boom. That's it. Done. I'm gonna post it right now for you guys, and that's it. Okay. All right. I just posted it again. This is like this might be the last time I post this, because the other one wasn't as recent. This is more. This includes a lot more, right? The other stuff they include, it didn't include a lot of stuff. Okay, yes, I just posted it. So this is for you guys, right? It's all there. All the information is there. Just follow the information, man. Follow the information. Well, very, very simple. You sign up with this link with your email, any email, and copy this entire. Let me see. Let me do copy paste edits. Let me just type it there. Copy, and paste. Copy and paste. Okay, copy and paste prompts. Update. Okay. I just updated it. All right, so copy and paste this entire prompt. Copy and paste prompts into the website, and you're done. That's it. Once you finish, it look like this. This is what it will look like, and you're done. Then you could see it. So you could switch from 1 hour time frame. It gives you a buy signal. It gives you stop loss, take profit one, take profit two, based on your 1 to 2 ratio. It gives you the percentage of wins. It gives you the confidence of this trade based on all these indicators. Because what it's doing is this, right? It is oh, you know what? Let me add this. I'm gonna add one more thing. I'm gonna add one more thing for you guys. I didn't include this one. Let me edit it. I'm gonna add one more thing here. It's a lot of info, I know. But once you get the dashboard, right? You're good to go, man. Let me put it over here. There's one more thing. It's called multi-time frame agreements. That's what that is. That's this right here. So I just basically updated it again. Okay, so it's on my page right now. I just posted for you guys free. I don't get any commission. I found this website somehow, somewhere. So it has a multi-time frame agreement. Basically, when all time frames are red or green, whatever it is. So this is the reason why there's a higher chance that we go higher, because on the 1 hour time frame it says buy, 4 hours says buy, 12 hours says buy, 1 day says buy, and the weekly says buy. So basically, all 5 time frames are in agreement for the price of Bitcoin going higher. Yeah, man, this stuff is unbelievable, guys. So basically, what the reason why I created this stuff, right? Because remember, when I started to do my videos for trading, I was documenting my trading journey, and I was trading. I was losing a lot. I was losing a lot of money, and I'm like, why do I keep losing? It was driving me nuts, man. And I figured like it might be because I was trading blindly, and I was trading the my computer's almost dead, so I gotta be quick. I was trading the lower time frames. I was trading blindly, so I was using AI. I figured it out. So what I did was I asked AI to give me the 15 to 20 best trading indicators that institutions and whales use. It gave it to me, and I asked the AI to combine it for me. So it combined all these indicators to one, and what it gave me was this. Boom. So this entire dashboard right here is the combination of all the best trading indicators that smart money and institutions use. It combined it for me and created a buy sell signal and all the indicators for me that will help me with my trades. And that's what I did. So hopefully that helps. And let me end this show. My computer's almost dead anyway, so I gotta go. But hopefully this helps. I'll be back. I'm not sure when. I'm trying to figure out my schedule still. Sure, I used to do shows every single day. I'm trying to get back to it. My routine is different now. Once I do, I'm going to be back fully. So, but it's all good though. So guys, I'll be back. I'll be back soon. Hopefully, and I always announce if I go live, so you guys enjoy. And I'll see you guys again later. Okay, I don't want the show to end before. Let me miss 1 second. So I'm gonna see you guys again later. And I always announce it. Hopefully, try the AI stuff out, man. It works, guys. It really does. It does. Especially when you start trading the higher time frames using the 4 hour or the daily or the weekly. Whoa. Yeah. So guys, I'll see you guys again later. Hopefully you guys enjoy the show. Thank you for always coming. I'm going to try to make this show more consistent.